Oh my goodness. Hey guys, today we're headed into the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna show you easy $1 gift ideas. We're doing a DIY, let's do it.
This looks so good. What do you...
Life's too short not to have a little fun. If you become easily overwhelmed in the dollar store, today I am dishing my best secrets from gift ideas, DIYs, home decor, easy ways to save huge in the Dollar Tree. First, my simple tricks for home decor. I love all of these signs, and these reindeer make such a great DIY. Here's one of my favorite tips for making really elegant home decor. Stick with a monochromatic color scheme and only one accent color. And if you've got glitter, make sure to give a coat of hairspray.
Take yourself back to your homecoming, back in the 80s and 90s. That's how much hairspray you want to use.
Then you don't have to worry about it shedding everywhere. Take two 18-inch wreaths and stack them on top of each other. This is going to give it a fuller look, and they just twist right together, no glue required. An elegant ribbon makes it look really cohesive, along with some additional Dollar Tree embellishments. This entire thing was done for just $5. And don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. All right, lots of junk, but check this out. This could be tablecloths. These are little rugs. Man, these are really nice.
Y'all, this is a pillow that I can make for $2 for sure.
And turned it into a pillow I did. Lay these ugly side facing up and put a bead of hot glue down the long ends. Then flip this inside out and hot glue together one of the tasseled ends. You can fill this with stuffed animal stuffing from ones your kids aren't using anymore, buy it cheaply from the craft store, or
If you're anything like me, you might have a bunch of extra plastic bags sitting around. You could use batting from an old pillow, but this is great pillow filler, especially for the decorative ones no one's really gonna touch. Charlie, are you cringing at this?
Yes.
my husband was a little skeptical of this DIY at first, but let's be honest, he's not exactly in love with throw pillows, but I think it turned out really awesome.
This looks so good! Charlie, what do you think?
It does look good.
I told you.
This pillow totally nestles in with my other more high-end pillows. It would make an amazing gift. You can have substantial pieces from Dollar Tree when you think simple. Next are easy hostess gifts that wow.
I got you covered whether you're spending $5 or $3. The book section is amazing. Look at these scores. There is this paleo table book. It is beautiful. It retails for $14 and it is $1. Wow. These tea towels feel legit upscale. This is channeling Pier 1 and Pottery Barn. I was just in there and this style of glass is being sold for $5 a piece. Great gift idea. And check these out, brand new product. These vases combined with fresh flowers, oh my goodness, what a beautiful gift.
These flowers were just a couple dollars from my grocery store. I think the real secret is to choose items that look like they came from a boutique. If you spend just a little bit of time, you can definitely find them.
All right, more ideas, check this out. Standard pack of Epsom salts combined with this cute glass canister. Pour it in, this is gonna be a great gift idea.
And always be on the lookout for new products.
Sometimes Dollar Tree gets products that should be $4 or $5 for $1. Leave-in conditioner. We're gonna combine it with some super cute hair bows. Scrunchy brand items, so cute. I love this one. And keep your eyes out for the e.l.f. products. They have e.l.f. lip balm tint right here, which is pretty cool. Bins in this section, you guys. These are brand new and look how cute they are. These colors are so adorable and I think this makes a great way to store and give gifts.
These name brands rotate throughout the store, so you're gonna find some crazy scores no matter when you go in. I even picked up that Zen candle that looks super high end. A gift people would actually want to gift.
Get it, get it, get it. Woo woo, so cute.
Next, some favorite items for kids.
This right here is an amazing gift idea. All ready to go, you just have to put your child's picture inside. The grandparents would love it. There's even a Santa. There is a whole section of planning supplies, and y'all, they are so pretty. Stickers and everything. But one thing I think is actually useful are these pen holders. They go right in notebooks. I know I could use this.
One of the best items you can find at Dollar Tree is their modeling clay. These light up tops are great, and these really high quality books, this gift was $3, and it's something a child would actually love and enjoy. You can find items for tweens too, and I tend to ask myself, would I want to receive this item? Could it be useful around my home? That's usually my bar for deciding if I should purchase. And I can't forget my favorite treats for the holidays.
When it comes to food, here are finds you're going to love. Look for the name brands. Let me show you some of my faves. These Russell Stover candies make a great additions to gifts, and one of my favorites are the marshmallow and caramel. These butter cookies retail for almost $5 for the same size in other stores. They're $1 here and they're great. A solid Kathryn choice every time. Bring somebody a plate of cookies right on this. So adorable.
Look how beautifully all of this fits together. The secret to shopping at Dollar Tree is to think about ways to use items unexpectedly, find really cute ways to contain them, and copy that high-end look that you might find at a boutique shop. It can definitely be done with just a little bit of creativity and not a lot of time. If you enjoyed this video, you leave it a big thumbs up. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye!
All right, so I just ran into Kenya. She is incredible, and she's showing me some of the wreaths that she makes from the Dollar Tree. What is the name of your shop, Kenya?
Creations by Kenya with a K.
Nice. I'll link it down below for you guys. But she comes in and she goes to Dollar Tree. Is this all Dollar Tree stuff?
This is Dollar Tree stuff.
Girl, I'm inspired. She's awesome. Thank you.